What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trying and I'm going to try and do an eyeliner. So I filmed a video and I uploaded. It was not too old, but I was trying to do my makeup, and as I said in the video that I do not wear makeup like at all, so it was really hard for me. But I saw some really easy trick to do an eyeliner, so I was like, why not try it? And my face, it's messy but whatever. So I'm going to try and do an eyeliner in this video. And also I have no idea, so doing an eyeliner and embarrassing myself here like I did with the previous video, it's funny. So before I start, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and like this video. Let's start with the thing with the I'm going to struggle doing this really. So all we need is this and some this. So I couldn't find the perfect one, but whatever. So I'm going to okay, and right now we're going to put it. So okay, I'm going to put it. How the fuck? How the heck? Okay, so I guess I'm going to. Oh my god, it's sticky like this, and a little. Let me do this and then I'll come back. Oh my god. Okay, so I did this, and right now I'm going to use the eyeliner. I think it's waterproof. It's a 3D Max. Oh my god. I'm going to do this. Wait. Okay, and right now we're going to reveal. Oh my god, this is too sticky. Okay, oh my god. Just look. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's good. I wanna do the other side. I'm going out, so I'm trying not to mess my face. But oh my god, that's really good. Damn. Let me do the other eye and then I'll come back with the full result, because that actually turns out really good. So, oh my god, look at the difference. I still hate makeup though. Let's do the second eye and then I'll come back. To the reveal of the second eye, and oh, it hurts a little bit. Okay, that's bad. Oh my god, that's bad. Oh my god. Can I adjust this? I'm bad at this. Let me see. Wait a moment. So I bought this pencil from the last one, and I'm going to try and, you know, adjust this. As I said, I'm really bad. And oh my god, that looks so ugly. Though this one really, whoa. I still hate makeup though, but this trick really is really good. It's really good. So that was it. It's not that bad. Okay, that was really bad, but that was good. That was good. Let me wash them off and then I'll come back for saying, bye. To tell you that was everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications by clicking the bell near the subscribe button. And yeah, I'm a messy head. So I see you in my next video. Bye.